What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol TMC for TMC the Metals Co. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. So this, of course, will be more of an update. We've covered this one on yesterday's set of videos, and the main thing to discuss was the failed hold of the break back up and over this $12.79 mark. So you can clearly see on the 30-minute chart here that we did open underneath that area, printed some hammers, got some resistance, and then the breakout did happen. Now, that was a decent trade here. You're looking at least $1 worth of movement that you could have taken advantage of, right? Looking at 13 up to about 14, so a solid dollar's worth of range, even if you didn't play it perfectly, right? 50 cents easily available on the break of that level, which we discussed in yesterday's video. Now, depending on where you stopped out, again, that hopefully was either a win or a loss for you, small loss being said, but the close here has completely shifted things inside of TMC. So what I want to point out is, of course, the fact that we retraced 100% of that up move. We've closed underneath that $11.58 mark, and I think the right thing to do at this point in time here on a stock that's so new is to be patient. You don't want to be overly aggressive now that it has essentially shown its hand, right? That it doesn't want to accept prices higher here. I would be very patient and see what the next potential reaction is here at the sort of IPO open or merger open, depending on if you want to pick on words here, this 950 area on the chart. So if we can get back down here, start printing hammer candles, indecision dojis, basically anything that would make you question, is this pullback coming to an end? Can we get long over the highs? That would be the area to watch. Right around 950, 939 is technically the opening print right here, and the low is technically 922. Again, be patient here. Just because this one doesn't have a whole lot of trade history to go off of, there's no saying what can happen, right? If this move here is going to spook newer investors who are going to say, you know what, that's it. This is already too volatile for my liking. It's not just slowly grinding higher as I wanted it to. I think a lot of people are going to shake out essentially underneath the IPO or merger opening print at 950. So please, if you're going to have any levels on your chart, make sure it's those two right there. And I do think the right move for right now is just being patient. Now, you could get, you could be nuanced here and argue with me that, maybe we could find some support in this prior chop zone right around this 1035 area, 1050 area. But for me, the risk to reward is just simply not there. It's too new. I'd rather wait for a confirmed breakout, a move back above at this point in time. Probably this area here, noting that that's where this small pop came from. I would wait for recapture, consolidation, and then a break here again over that 1279 to get us back into that 14 target, that 1538, as we discussed in earlier parts of this video right here. So those are my thoughts. Again, probably waiting for the dust to settle on this one, getting some more structure in place here before making an educated decision on direction and potential trade ideas based on that structure. So if you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, certainly give the video a thumbs up or let me know down below in the comments section. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.